Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to forward message in WhatsApp account. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see open the WhatsApp account. Now we going to the friends in the message. Now select from arrow option. Now click in the forward message. Now click from forward option. Now click. Now you select from forward. Now select to select and three select in the forward. Now click from select from forward option. Now choose from any friends. Now click. Now select from forward option. Now click. Now select from any friends. Now click from send option. That it's now forward the message in WhatsApp account. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.